Easy bullet journal ideas for beginners. If you've ever been curious about bullet journaling but felt overwhelmed by the idea of getting started, fear not. This video is dedicated to sharing more ideas of easy and creative bullet journal ideas for beginners like yourself. It will guide you through the basics with simplified techniques and versatile spreads designed to fit perfectly for suiting your needs and preferences. Key takeaways. Bullet journaling is an excellent method of organization and creative expression that can benefit beginners through applying the productivity system and bolster mindfulness along with self-awareness. To get started with bullet journaling, beginners should choose the right supplies such as a high-quality notebook and good pens, create an index page and key to categorize notes efficiently, and set up monthly, weekly, daily spreads tailored to your individual needs. Easy bullet journal ideas for beginners include habit, mood trackers, gratitude, reflection pages, goal setting, to-do lists, creative doodles, brain dumps, fitness, health tracking logs, and reading, movie logs. All these elements can be adapted to meet your specific interests or objectives while fostering personal growth and creativity at the same time. Understanding bullet journaling and its benefits. Bullet journaling is a method of organization and a way to get your creative juices flowing while allowing individuals to customize their planning systems while also benefiting from increased productivity, mindfulness, and self-awareness. What is a bullet journal spread? A simple bullet journal spread is a layout where you organize and showcase your tasks, goals, mood, habits, or events for a specific period of time. It can be as simple or intricate as you want it to be, making it perfect for beginners who are just starting out with bullet journaling. For instance, if you're looking to track your fitness goals on a monthly basis, you could create a spread featuring sections for workout routines, meal planning, and weight or fitness progress. On the other hand, if keeping track of mental health is essential for your self-care purposes, incorporating mood trackers and gratitude logs within the spread might prove beneficial. You can put some time aside to write about what you are grateful for, the people in your life, or current and future events you are really happy about or looking forward to. What to include in your spread. Deciding what to include in your bullet journal spread can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially for beginners. The key is to find the right balance between functionality and creativity, so you can stay organized while enjoying the process. Start by listing essential sections like a monthly spread, which includes a calendar for tracking appointments, tasks, and events, or a weekly spread if you want to get more granular. A daily log can help to really keep you on track, especially if you have a hectic schedule like a student or parent. Personalizing your spread with unique pages tailored to your passions adds another layer of enjoyment. Fitness enthusiasts may appreciate health trackers documenting workouts completed or meal planning ideas. How much time to spend? Determining how much time to spend on your simple bullet journal will greatly influence the overall experience and success of this creative venture. As a beginner, it's essential to strike a balance between dedicating enough time to make your simple bullet journal more meaningful and not getting overwhelmed by the process. You will find that first page fear is real, so don't try to overthink it. Begin with a simple list or calendar to fill in and go from there. Remember that everyone's schedule and preferences are different. Some individuals may enjoy spending hours decorating their pages with elaborate doodles, while others prefer a more minimalist approach focusing on rapid logging. It depends on what you are trying to accomplish. One of the great things about bullet journaling is that it is a highly customizable practice. This means that what you include in your own to start a bullet journaling system will depend on what you are trying to accomplish. Perhaps you want to track your daily habits or monitor your health and fitness progress. Maybe you need an organized space to keep track of work-related tasks or manage your personal finances in a monthly log. For example, if you're looking for a simple way to stay on top of deadlines and appointments, consider creating a spread that utilizes a monthly calendar with important dates listed alongside corresponding tasks or notes. Essential steps to get started with bullet journaling. Choosing the right journal and supplies. As a beginner, choosing the right journal and supplies can be overwhelming. But it's crucial to have good quality materials that suit your needs and preferences. When selecting your notebook, consider the size, paper quality, binding type, and whether you need dotted or lined pages. To organize your bullet journal spreads better, having colored brush pens and markers are also helpful. Creating an index page and key. One crucial step in getting started with bullet journaling is creating a bullet journal index along with a bullet journal key page. An index page serves as a table of contents for all the entries in your bullet journal, making it easier to find specific notes about a particular topic, daily entries, or pages later on. It is a great way to keep everything organized. A key page is used to record all of your shorthand symbols and what they mean so you can fill out your spreads easier without taking too much room. Setting up monthly, weekly, daily spreads. Setting up your monthly, weekly, and daily spreads is a crucial part of bullet journaling. Monthly spreads are great for planning out big events like birthdays or vacations, while weekly spreads are perfect for keeping track of appointments and to-do lists. Daily spreads allow you to focus on the tasks that need to be done each day. Selecting bullet journal spreads to try. One of the most exciting parts of starting the first page of a bullet journal is selecting the spreads to try. The possibilities are endless, and you can create 2 pages each that cater to your specific needs and interests. When selecting which spreads to try in your bullet journaling journey, consider what areas of your life need organization or improvement. Start with simple spreads like daily or weekly task lists if you're new to bullet journaling. Once you build on them, think about incorporating monthly logs into your bullet journal system. Monthly logs can be great for helping you keep on top of things and not get overwhelmed when looking at your month, but also could be a little too much at first to take on. Simple and creative bullet journal ideas for beginners. Habit and mood trackers. Habit and mood trackers are essential tools for bullet journaling. They allow you to monitor your daily progress toward achieving your set goals while also keeping tabs on your emotional well-being. For instance, a habit tracker helps you keep track of routine tasks like drinking water, exercising, or reading daily. Meanwhile, a mood tracker helps you understand emotional patterns by logging how you feel each day along with the potential causes behind it. It will help you visualize what type of events may trigger unfavorable moods. By recording habits and moods consistently over time in a bullet journal, you'll gain better insights into where improvements could be made both physically and mentally. It will help you visualize what type of events may trigger unfavorable moods. Gratitude and reflection pages. One of the benefits of bullet journaling is that it allows you to reflect on and appreciate the good things in life. Including gratitude and reflection pages in your bullet journal can help you focus on the positive and improve your overall well-being. Gratitude pages can be as simple as writing down one thing you're grateful for each day, or more elaborate with colorful drawings or stickers. On hard days, it can help to look back at what you previously wrote and remind yourself what you are grateful for. Goal setting and to-do lists. One of the most popular and useful bullet journal spreads are goal-setting pages and to-do lists. These spreads are designed to help organize tasks, set priorities, and stay motivated in achieving your goals. To-do lists are also a great addition to any bullet journal spread as they allow for easy tracking of daily tasks and activities. These simple lists can be customized with different symbols or icons representing priority levels or task types, such as work-related tasks versus personal ones. Whether it's keeping track of project deadlines at work or setting personal fitness goals, using a bullet journal for goal setting and to-do lists is an effective and fun way to improve productivity and achieve success. Creative doodles and brain dumps. One of the best things about bullet journaling is the freedom to let all your drawing tools and creativity run wild. Creative doodles and brain dumps are very easy bullet art journal ideas, a great way to express yourself while also getting all of your ideas down on paper. Brain dumping is simply writing down everything that's on your mind, whether it be tasks you need to complete or random thoughts you can't seem to shake. Doodles are another fun aspect of bullet journaling that can add personality and creativity to any spread. Whether you're an artistic pro or just starting out, adding simple drawings and designs can make a big impact in the overall look and feel of your bullet journals and your bullet journal ideas too. Fitness and health tracking. One of the most popular ways to use a bullet journal today is to keep a monthly log to track fitness and health goals. This can include tracking daily water intake, tracking food and calorie consumption, or keeping a workout log. By having all of this information in one place, it becomes easier to see patterns and progress over time. If you're interested in using your bullet journal for fitness and health tracking, consider including habit trackers for things like drinking enough water or taking vitamins. Reading and movie logs. One of the most popular bullet journal spreads for book and movie enthusiasts is the reading and movie log. These bullet journal logs can help you keep track of your favorite books and movies, as well as inspire you to read or watch more. To create your own pages for a reading or movie log or whole journal, simply dedicate 1 or 2 blank pages in your journal for each category. You can include details such as titles, authors, directors, date watched, read, ratings, and even brief reviews or comments. Bucket lists and travel planning. One of the great things about bullet journaling is its versatility. You can use it for almost anything, including travel planning and creating bucket lists. Whether you're dreaming of a cross-country road trip or an exotic adventure overseas, your bullet journal can help you keep track of all your plans and ideas. Bullet journals are also great for brainstorming on a few ideas for new destinations and activities to add to your bucket list. Useful tips to stay organized and inspired. Keep it simple and authentic. One of the keys to a successful bullet journal practice is to keep things simple and authentic. It can be tempting to get lost in elaborate designs, use fancy pens or stationery, or try to emulate what you see on social media. Start with basic pages like an index page, key, monthly spread, weekly and monthly spread, and habit tracker. These are all customizable and simple enough for beginners but also effective tools for staying organized. Plan ahead and set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals and planning ahead is crucial when starting a bullet journal. It's important to take into account the time you have available for maintaining your bullet journal, as well as your lifestyle and personal priorities. To avoid feeling overwhelmed, it's also helpful to plan ahead by setting up recurring pages such as monthly and weekly spreads in advance. This will allow you to stay on track with your tasks and projects while minimizing stress. Use symbols and icons to simplify your journal. Symbols and icons are valuable tools in bullet journaling as they can help simplify your pages while also making them more visually appealing. These symbols can represent anything from tasks to events, goals, and habits. For example, you could use a checkmark symbol to indicate completed tasks or a triangle to signify appointments. Simple drawings can also be used as icons for various categories like fitness or mood tracking. Experiment with colors and styles. One of the most enjoyable aspects of bullet journaling is the ability to experiment with colors and styles. Whether you prefer a minimalistic design or something more colorful and elaborate, there are endless possibilities for personalization. Using highlighters, calligraphy pens, stickers, stencils, and washi tape can add flair to your spreads. For example, using different colored pens can help distinguish between different tasks or events in your planner, while adding washi tape around borders or headers brings attention to key details. Connect with the bullet journaling community. One great thing about digital bullet journaling is the thriving online community of fellow enthusiasts. Connecting with others who share your passion for bullet journaling can be a wonderful source of inspiration, creativity, and motivation. Joining this community can also provide support when facing common obstacles in maintaining a bullet journal practice. Mistakes to avoid when starting bullet journaling. Overthinking and overcomplicating. I know from personal experience that it's easy to get carried away with the idea of a perfect bullet journal system. However, overthinking and overcomplicating a new bullet journal too can lead to mistakes when starting out. Relying too much on social media. It's easy to get caught up in the endless scroll of bullet journaling content on social media. While it can be a great source of inspiration and ideas for beginners, relying too much on what others are doing can have negative effects. Comparison to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy and discourage creativity, while pressure to make your bullet journal look perfect can be overwhelming. It's important to remember that bullet journaling should be personalized to individual preferences and needs, not based on what looks good online. Instead of striving for perfection or trying to impress others, focus on the benefits of simple bullet journaling for personal growth and organization. Being too harsh on yourself. One of the common mistakes to avoid when starting bullet journaling is being too harsh on yourself. It's important to remember that bullet journaling should be a fun and creative outlet, not something that adds unnecessary stress or pressure. Don't worry if your spreads don't turn out perfectly or if you miss a few days of tracking. Remember that progress takes time and practice. How to overcome obstacles and stay motivated. Find your why. One of the most important aspects of starting a bullet journal is understanding your motivation for doing it. It could be to improve productivity, cultivate self-care habits, or simply have a creative outlet for writing things down. We tend to focus on the how a lot, and although it is fun, we can't forget the why. The why is why we're here, and the how helps us accomplish it. Re-evaluate and reprioritize. One of the most important aspects of bullet journaling is flexibility. Just like any other productivity and planning system, however, there will be times when your plans may change or unforeseen events occur. This is why it's crucial to re-evaluate and reprioritize regularly. Take a step back every once in a while and evaluate what's working well and what isn't. Take breaks and celebrate small wins. As someone who has been bullet journaling for years, I can attest to the fact that taking breaks and celebrating small wins is crucial for staying motivated with this productivity tool. It's easy to get caught up in creating elaborate spreads and tracking every single detail of your life, but it's important to recognize when you need a break. In addition to taking breaks, celebrating small wins is another key component of staying motivated with bullet journaling. Conclusion: bullet journaling can be an excellent way to express creativity and more ideas while also staying organized and mindful. With the easy-to-start bullet journaling and bullet journal ideas for beginners outlined, you can get started on your own journey toward a more productive and fulfilling life. Remember to choose the right supplies, experiment with different styles, and keep things simple yet authentic. Bullet journaling is a fun and flexible system that can adapt to your needs over time. Are there any topics this video didn't touch on and you want to know more about when it comes to bullet journaling? If so, please comment below and the community will help you out with them. Have any items in this video helped you greatly while you venture into your bullet journal journey? If so, leave a comment below so others can learn more about them. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep on growing its content about the wonderful world of bullet journaling.